Good day everyone, this is Decemie Gonzaga BIT3E Comtech, and I am here to create a circuit. The title is about lead sequencer using 4 patterns. There are components: Arduino, breadboard, lead, and resistor. Click the Tinker card. Click a circuit. Create new circuit. Here are the components. First, the Arduino. Next is the breadboard. Lead. So we need 12 lead. Change the color blue. So I'm done for the lead. Next is the resistor. Connect your resistor to the cathode of LED. 100 ohms resistor. Also, we need 12 resistor like the LED. Now I'm done for the resistor. And now let's start to connect the Arduino to the breadboard. So ground of the Arduino connected to the ground of the breadboard, or the negative sign of the breadboard. Change into color black. Other pin of the resistor connected to the ground or negative sign of the breadboard. All the resistor connected to the ground. Okay, done. Next is the anode pin of the LED connected to the breadboard to the Arduino. First, we connect to the breadboard or the anode pin of the LED connected to the breadboard to Arduino. And now I'm starting to connect pin 1 of the Arduino connected to the first lead or first LED into red or pink. Pin 2 of the Arduino connected to the second LED. Pin 3 of Arduino connected to the third LED. Pin 4 of Arduino connected to the fourth LED. Five pin of Arduino connected to the fifth LED. Sixth pin of Arduino connected to the sixth LED. Seventh pin of Arduino connected to the seventh LED. Pin number 8 of the Arduino connected to the 8th LED. Change color into pink. Pin number 9 of the LED connected to the pin number 9 LED. Pin number 10 of the Arduino connected to the 10th LED. Pin number 11 of the Arduino connected to the 11th LED. And the last, pin number 12 of the Arduino connected to the 12th LED. Now we're done for that. And now let's start for coding. This is the code for the output. So pin mode 1 until pin mode 12. So the delay is 500 milliseconds. To start simulation. This is the output of the circuit. And that's all. Thank you for watching.